Hey guys, good evening. Andy here with Extra Renovation. So we're finishing our week up, getting some exterior repairs knocked out. This is a house that we're going to be doing a complete repaint on. George Robertson will be handling that for us. House has some old OSB textured siding. We're matching it up with wood grain hardy. Guys got that side of the chimney fixed. It was in poor shape. Some of the fallen survivors. Karia making sure everything looks right. Get some corner work over here. Nicely done repairs, getting that corner board. This couple just recently purchased this home. It's a good example of for the next guy or realtor contracting. Just getting the last corner of this window trimmed out. We replaced fascia boards up there with PVC. As I getting this side taken care of. Corner work there, corner up by the gutters. Put a piece of kick out flashing in. Replace that. And the final frontier over here. So we'll get all this wrapped up. George will get over here, bleach everything out. Got a nice color we're putting back, koi pond, just a Sherwin-Williams color. Black shutters, super white trim. Have this house looking sharp again. Call us if we can help you out with your exterior projects. 478-501-0102. Got the crews, equipment, and experience to get it right for you. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.